Hello, dear friends. In this video, we'll show you how to use HTTP protocol to send sensor values to Virtuino Cloud. Connect a DHT22 sensor to the ESP32 device to measure temperature and humidity. First, make these connections, then log in. Create an account if needed, log in, and first create your new device. Here we will create the device shown. Next, we will create 3 fields corresponding to the 3 measurements we want to take. First, we will create a field for temperature, one for humidity, and an additional field. For a pressure sensor, which isn't on the DHT22, but we add it as an example. After creating all 3 sensor fields, we are ready to move to the next step. In this chapter, we will work with the Arduino code. Go to docs-http code examples. Here you will find everything needed. We will need a library to add to the code next. The second example is exactly what we need, using a DHT22 sensor for temperature and humidity. Copy this example and paste it into the Arduino sketch. Enter your Wi-Fi SSID and password. For the API key, go to the console homepage. At the bottom of the console, find and copy the HTTP API key. Paste it in the code, and find your device name under Devices. After entering this, let's look further down. In Setup, we will add a small modification. So we can view results better in the console. At the bottom of the code, set a 3-second delay to get faster results. Once ready, upload the code to the board and wait for the results. After uploading the code, open the serial monitor where you should see the values being uploaded. Here you see the sensor measurements taken every 3 seconds, which are sent to the cloud. Under the Data tab, select your specific device to view its values. Note that history logging is off. Go to Fields, select Temperature, and enable historical data. Once enabled, an icon appears. New temperature values are saved continuously in data without overriding previous ones. The next step is to create a dashboard to monitor all these values. Next, we will create a new dashboard to view these measurements. After creating the dashboard, open it, unlock it, and start adding widgets. Add a widget for temperature, selecting your device and the corresponding temperature field. You can adjust its size, add an icon, and set the minimum and maximum gauge limits. Set upper and lower thresholds for color changes, then save. Add a second value display widget for humidity following the exact same procedure. Next, add a third gauge widget for the hypothetical pressure sensor. After adding the pressure gauge, add a chart widget for temperature. Make sure to select the field configured for historical data logging, then save. The chart is ready. It is essential that the field assigned to the chart logs historical data. Our dashboard is now complete and ready for use. Thank you for watching this video. More tutorials will follow soon.